In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in Word. By the end, you'll know how to grab an embed code from your Lucidchart diagram and place it into a Word document so others can view it right where they're reading. First, open your web browser and go to lucidchart.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log in before you can access your files. Once you're in, head to your Recent section and open the diagram you want to embed. Picking the correct file up front saves you time later, especially if you manage multiple versions. With the diagram open, look to the top left and click the 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu for document options and sharing controls. From there, choose Share. Before you continue, it's a good idea to double-check permissions. Embeds typically respect the document's sharing settings, so make sure viewers will have at least view access. If you only want people to look, not edit, ensure it's set to view only. Inside the sharing options, select Embed. This is where Lucidchart generates the HTML you'll place into Word. You may see settings to adjust the size, whether the viewer can zoom or pan, and which pages of a multi-page diagram appear. Pick the dimensions that fit your document's layout. A medium width usually works well and keeps the diagram readable. When everything looks right, copy the HTML code that's provided. It'll usually be an iframe snippet, and once it's copied, it's ready for your document. Now switch over to Microsoft Word and open the document where you want the diagram to appear. Place your cursor exactly where you'd like it to go and paste the HTML code. Depending on your version of Word and your organization's policies, you may see the embed render as an interactive frame, or you might simply see the code as text. If it shows the code, that's normal in some desktop environments. In those cases, the embedded content may only render in environments that support live web content. If your setup doesn't display the embed, consider using your organization's approved methods for web content, or explore alternatives like the official Lucidchart add-in or exporting your diagram as an image for static viewing. Save your document and, if possible, reopen it or preview it to confirm the placement looks good. That's it. You went to Lucidchart, opened your recent diagram, used the menu to access Share, chose Embed, copied the HTML and pasted it into Word. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.